And like, subscribe, and give me comments. Give me comments. Bloody hell, I don't know what's wrong. I'm even sober today. Hello and welcome to Imperfect Garden. Today we will do something completely different. We will not do anything about gardening. We will do a small video about one of my side hustles. I buy and sell used books, second-hand books. And today we're going to go to a rather big store that have a lot of used books. And we're going to buy a lot of them, put them online and sell them for a higher price. I will tell you more about this when we come home, and then we will see how much books we get. For my help today, I have two of my kids, Joseph and Sarah, two oldest kids. They are going to help me because my goal is we will buy at least 200 books today. I would love to buy 500 if possible, because we have emptied the car inside, so we can put huge amount of books, hundreds of kilos of books. Well, so come with me and let's go buy books. It's completely ridiculous. I'm back home again, got no books. We went to Kiel. The second-hand store there had an extra closing today. So happy. Didn't see that on the webpage. So we went back to the car from Kiel, went all the way up to Sunne, another town, and went to another second-hand store. Oh, they did not open until 11 o'clock. I'm so happy. So we haven't been driven 1 hour and no books at all. But now I will do the second attempt. I will go back to the store, which did not open until 11 o'clock, because now it's 12. I go back, we do a video, and we buy books. Even if I'm going to die, we're going to buy second-hand books today. As you can see here, I start buying books in the second-hand store, but there was a lot of people around me, so I couldn't record voice. But they have a lot. Pockets, hardcovers, they sell music, movies, DVDs, well, anything you'll like in here. And I'll try to pick as many books as I can. Maybe this is enough. I have no idea how many books. It's very heavy basket. Let's go and pay and see how much it is. For today, only 2 bags. This is a little bit disappointing. I paid 170 Swedish crowns. That's like 17 euros. Probably, I don't know yet how much I can make with it. We will do a calculation when I come home, and then we take up everything and we, look what the value of the books are. Tomorrow we go to the big second-hand store in Kiel and do the crazy shopping and fill the car with books. And we're back home again with all our books. Unfortunately, as always with my videos, it never goes as I planned. The idea was I would go buy hundreds of books today, but that one second-hand store that I could buy hundreds of books, they weren't open today. So I went to another store, and when I first got there, they had not opened yet. So I had to go back 1 more hour later, and then they were open. And I could manage to buy, I have 42 books here. So, is it any point in doing this? I mean, I buy second-hand books and I sell them as second-hand books, but online. Yes, actually, there's a big profit in this, and you can't really believe it. You're like, really? Really? Yeah. Because if you go to second-hand stores, they have heaps of books. Heaps of books. I know sometimes even they throw them away. They go to burning because there's so many books, especially with when old people pass away and the relatives come into the home and they're going to divide everything, and it's like 2,000 books. What do they do with them? Sometimes they throw them away, or they give them away to some charity like the Red Cross, and the Red Cross will sell them in their stores. But the problem is they get shitloads of books. So why do I do this? Because if you're looking at the prices you pay in a second-hand store, because like Red Cross, they don't, Red Cross is a little bit expensive, but other charity or second-hand stores, they want to sell because they have probably thousands books in storehouses and wait, so they sell it very low price to just get rid of it, because they get it free
So if they take €2, they make €2 because they got it for free. And in this case here, all of these books, they cost exactly 5 Swedish crown each. And that is, oh my god, head calculation. Oh, give me a second. 5 Swedish crown is €0.50. Yeah, I think it's about €0.50. I'm not sure. Something around there. So it's not much money. It's very little money. Yeah, so what are the value? Well, I sell them online because most people don't have the time to go around to like 10 different secondhand stores to find the book they want. They go online. And I will talk more about this in a second video because this video is getting too long again. The thing is, when I sell this online for people who want a specific kind of books, they are ready to pay more. I don't overcharge in any way, but it's the quantity you sell. So let's look at now. 42 books I have here. I paid about 200 Swedish crowns, so say €20. But what is the value of them? Well, let's take one of the not so very good books. Here I have one. No, that was a bad book. So let's take one here. This is like a girl book, you know, teenage girl book. Series produce a lot of these, you know, stupid stories and stuff like that about love and romance and shit. The value of this when I sell it will be about 20 Swedish crowns. And that is €2. And this is a bad deal for me, so, but listen now, I pay €0.50 and I sell it for €2. And that is a bad deal. Yeah, but imagine if I sell 1,000 of these. Suddenly, wow, that's a lot of money. Just before I did this shot, I have gone through all the books and look on the online seller that I use a lot, the biggest one in Sweden. And I have gotten an approximately value of all these books. And can you guess the value of these 42 books? I paid, again, €20. And the value, if I sell them all, will be €163. That is a good profit. €20, €163. The thing is, of course, it takes a little bit of time to sell all of this. But the thing is also, when I sell them, I buy a lot of books and put them out. And when I put them out, I don't need to do anything. You see? I have shelves everywhere where I store the books and I'm waiting. Sometimes it could take 1 year to sell one book. But because you have so many books, you're selling books all the time. And also the trick is to find the quality books. This is not a quality book, but it's low price. I will sell it anyway. The thing is to find books like, let's see here, like a Ken Follett, you know, a huge book. This was super expensive when it was new, probably like 30, 40 euros. Someone paid for this when it was new. And this one still, I get about, say somewhere between, say around 5 euros I get for this one. And still, I paid as much for this. €0.50, €0.50. €2 for selling, and this is €5. So this is a good book. But the thing is to find the really high quality. And I was lucky now, I know what to look for. I found one very high quality book here. And this is a very small book. This is a book about how to give birth without fear. I have the lowest bid on the online site where I sell. And this one still, I will get 17 euros for this book. I paid €0.50 and I will get 17 euros. That is a bloody good profit for this book. And probably I will sell it probably within 1 or 2 months because this is a popular book. Books about like gardening, cars, giving birth, you know, psychological things. They always sell a lot and people are ready to pay for it. Much more than teenage books. Now we come to the end of this video. So you understand now, this is a good side hustle. It doesn't take so much time. Packaging the books when someone buy them, that is the most work I do. But eventually, imagine when you have 10,000 books out for sale. You will start making a lot of money each month. because you sell like 1% of all your books every week. Give and take a little bit, but around there. So yeah, it's fun too. I love books. Well, let's end this video now because it gets too long and I don't know what I'm talking about, as usual. Next video, we will go and buy the crazy amount of books, or I will do a video and show exactly how the more online selling, how I do it, because it's an easy and very fun way. We're using a very good app for this. Maybe we do a internet selling thing video, or we go and do the crazy buying, or we continue with gardening. I don't know yet. So I hope you like this completely random video and me just rambling about anything. And like, subscribe, and give me comments. Give me comments. Bloody hell, I don't know what's wrong. I'm even sober today. Well, goodbye and have a good day.